In this video, I'm going to share my 27-point on-page SEO checklist with you. But not all on-page SEO ranking factors were created equal. So first, I'm going to share the 5 most important ranking factors with you. But if you really want to download the complete checklist, head over to the full post on my blog now. But if you want to know which specific on-page ranking factors will help increase your search traffic, pay attention to these 5 things first. If you didn't know, Google launched the Mobile First Index, which basically means that your site needs to look good and load quickly on mobile devices. You can use the Google Mobile Friendly Test tool to check that. But if you fail this test, you've got some serious work ahead of you, because it usually means that you need to update your website's design or theme to something that is mobile responsive, much like my custom authority theme, for example. Next, you need to pay attention to site speed. This is another confirmed ranking factor from Google, and I suggest you run some tests with the Google PageSpeed tool. You want to be seeing mobile scores of 70+ and desktop scores of 90+. Also, be sure to run your pages through web page test to see how they load in the real world and aim for a load time of under 3 seconds. Take a look at the site speed tutorial on my blog if you need help achieving that. Next, you should look at the title tags of your pages. Title tags are a strong signal for Google, so it's important to make sure that your title tag has the target keyword as close to the beginning as possible. But you must do that without sacrificing readability for human visitors. The 4th factor you should look at is internal linking. You can use internal links to kind of like control the flow of search engine authority across your site. And a good internal linking structure will not only increase your search traffic, but it will also increase conversions as well. In fact, I've published 3 different internal linking strategies for you to use on my blog. Last but not least is the length of content. When we added 10,000 words of content to this page, it started to rank for over 11,000 different keywords. So go through all the pages on your site that you want to increase the rankings for and update the content. Now, if you're wondering how many words to write or even what to write about, just Google your target keyword and open the top 5 results. Then you can write a list of pros and a list of cons for each result to guide your writing process. You also want to make sure that your content is formatted nicely with headings and bullet points and images that make it easy to read. So there you have it. The 5 most important SEO ranking factors are mobile responsiveness, site speed, keyword in your title tag, internal linking, and length of content. If you focus on those 5 factors, you will start to see a positive impact on your search traffic. But don't forget to download the full on-page SEO checklist from my blog to guide you through everything. And if you click the subscribe button right now, you'll get even more great videos like this to help you grow your search traffic. Or just sit back, relax, and enjoy the next video.